Previously on Sailing Aquarius.
Oh.
We are leaving beautiful Fitia to reunite with our friends. We are currently in Marmaris, Turkey, and I must admit, we're loving it here. It's quite a busy Anchorage with lots of yachts anchored, their dinghies busying around, countless touristy boats. Someone at practice using us as an obstacle for training. Occasional cruise ship, and quite a few yacht rallies a week. And the shore, beautiful beaches, promenades, and lots of action as well. One of the nice things, in such a short time, we already made lots of friends. So, our friends are about to take off, so we had the chance. They are, by the way, they also from Mel Super Marmu.
Hello guys.
It was very nice because they came over and they said, "Hey, we are your followers." That was so sweet.
We let Ken do the work first, watch him do it, see how he messes it up, then we do it, and we mess it up the same.
Smart. Well, today we got neighbors, and they are so close.
So one of the things that happened when I put the new batteries in is they're 24-volt batteries, so I don't have a backup in case my battery for the start stops working. So now I'm putting in all the electronics so I can switch between two batteries, so one will be charging and the other one's going to be for the start battery. So anyways, I'll show you how that's all working.
Work in progress. Okay, neighbors got some more chain, so it's all good. Captain Ken is working on the starter battery.
Yeah, that's why I told him to put out more chain, because I don't have a start battery in right now, and I don't want them moving because they're right on our chain. So I don't want them moving until I can start my engine. So it's going to be about 30 minutes.
Much better distance for our new neighbors. Much better.
So I think I'm done with my battery compartment. Got two switches. If I switch this to 2, battery 1 will be charging. If I switch this one to 2, battery 2, this battery here is 2, this is 1. Battery 2 will be charging. So anyways, let's go up and take a look up top. So I finished my work. So let me show it off. Except I need to put this back away and clean up a little bit. But so this tells you voltage of the B battery, or number 2, and this is the voltage of the number 1 battery. And so I have 2 batteries down there for start batteries, and now I can see the voltage on each battery separately. So let's go down to the engine room. So what I did is I installed these 2 switches, and so this one here is battery 1, and battery 1 is on start, and battery 2 is on charge.
And those are starter batteries, right?
Yeah, they're both starter batteries, but one's being charged right now, and the other one is being used as a start battery. And I can put them both to charge or both to start, but then they'd be pulling on each other because they're not perfectly matched batteries.
And there's our friends leaving. Beautiful boat you got there. What is that?
Yeah, great mate.
Is that an Amel Super Marmu?
Best boat there is, mate.
Another friend's leaving.
Oh no.
I have a question for you. Lately, Captain Ken posted a couple of his boat tours that got so popular and got so many views. And I was wondering, well, of course, Captain Ken is doing a really good job interviewing people and picking the boats he wants to do the tour. But I was wondering, since he got so many views, would you be interested if there would be a channel just for boat tours where boat owners can post a video of their boat and what they like it about the most? I know from our experience, when we were choosing our boat to go on this journey, we had no idea which boat to choose. Luckily, there was Delos with this amazing boat. So let us know. There will be a link for the boat tours. So if you want this kind of channel, please go and subscribe, because if it's gonna get at least a couple thousand subscribers, we're gonna give it a go. Otherwise, it's probably Captain Ken is just gonna keep doing his videos. So if you want this channel, boat tours, description below, go and subscribe. It's gonna be empty for now, but we want to see if there is a need. And if you are a proud owner of a boat and you would like to show off your boat, email at Sailing Aquarius to us and we will upload your boat tour. You can film it yourself and we will upload it. Looking forward to hear back from you. I'm really curious if you want this channel.
We're going to the stove.
So we're getting our dinghy fixed. We have a leak and the engine just ain't sounding like it should sound. In all her glory. Well, there you go. There's our problem.
Okay.
Maybe later today or tomorrow.
Yeah, we try to fix today.
All right, we're gonna get our dinghy fixed. It's got a little bit of a problem. So they have a bunch of boat places down near the marina, but it seems like this is where the real work gets done. And they've got everything boat here. Everything boat and everything car, motorcycle. So this is one of the places people leave their dinghies. We've left our dinghy here several times. The other place is right over on this side of that bridge. I leave my dinghy there many times. And the blue bridge, which we've shown you, that's another place where we leave our dinghy. But we're getting picked up by Zatara in a couple minutes because our dinghy is being worked on. Yeah, we're just down here draining our membranes because we got to take the membranes out and replace them. We've been carrying the spares with us, but I just didn't want to replace them, but now it's time. Well, I decided to try to change the membranes myself because the guy said that he wasn't going to be available until tomorrow or the next day. So I'm going to try to change these membranes. If everything works out, we'll have water. If not, it'll be 3 or 4 more days with 0 water, unless we go over to Zatara and beg water off them.
Again?
Again, exactly. Figure out which side to take off. It's a high pressure side or the low pressure side. This goes together this way, and these stay straight down and that one stays straight up. Well, I can't get the end caps off, so I need to take them someplace to get the end caps off because I don't want to break them. So I'm just going to pack them up and hopefully I'll
be able to get to shore because we don't have a dinghy either, because it's getting fixed. It's a real bum deal when you don't have a dinghy, because now we're on like an island. It's a nice island, but can't get ashore. Well, there's the dinghy, all cleaned up, ready to go. But I don't got an engine anymore. Looks like we've burned out a couple gears. This is one of the main streets with all the boat parts, all the chandleries. So there's only one real watermaker service guy that you're gonna see when you get here, and that's these guys. The problem was right there. So that came loose right there. And so that caused the problem where we were getting bad water. This one was probably okay, but this one here, you can see it's also got more of a problem all through. So these are the guys that did my dinghy engine work. There's our beautiful dinghy. Oh. We put a piece all along here. That's nice. We fixed this. They put the new Velcro pieces on that hold the oars. There's the engine all ready to go. Look at that. So these guys did all my dinghy work. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. And what was your name?
Gökhan. My name is Gökhan.
Why are they sailing backwards? So this interesting boat comes over next to Aquarius, sailing backwards, and drops the anchor right next to our neighbors on a catamaran. Not enough that, there is a Coast Guard that's been following them for a while, I guess. And all this time, while they were trying to anchor, people on catamaran were saying, no, 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 this is where our anchor is and you're gonna bump into us. And all this time, Coast Guard was watching. The guys were not happy. I think they were even talking back to catamaran people. But anyways, at the end, they did pull up the anchor and re-anchored someplace else. And Coast Guard kept an eye on them for a while.
Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.
Well, we have our membranes back and we're just about ready to put them back in. So they go in right over here.
And while Ken is working on a watermaker, we get delivered our new mattresses to Aquarius. Happy?
Of course.
Guest bedroom has a beautiful mattress. All new for our guests to visit. Well, I guess we fixed our watermaker just in time. Look at this. 0, although there's still a little bit.
So we're making really good water now.
Yes.
Very happy, very happy.
We can take showers tonight.
Oh yeah, baby. We'll be nice and clean. And we got our beds done in both cabins. So that's nice too.
And we're going out tonight, bar crawling.
Oh yeah. Oh boy.
So literally streets away from the boat repairs district is this bar street that we heard so much of, and we decided that we work hard, so we should party hard too. We need to go and check it out. next on Sailing Aquarius.
Did you get a good photo?
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.